Welcome to Home Buying Made Easy, the podcast where we pull back the curtain on mortgages, real estate, and everything the big banks hope you never figure out. Michael Dendy is a licensed mortgage loan officer with Edge Home Finance, and I'm Rachel, co-host and producer of the show. Every episode, Michael and I break down the stuff that actually matters without the jargon. This show is designed for everyday people like you and I to learn the home buying process so you can buy smarter, save more, and stop leaving money on the table. Now let's dive into today's episode.
Welcome to Home Buying Made Easy. I'm Michael Dendy, and I'm a mortgage broker with Edge Home Finance, and I have Rachel right over here, who is our in-house, producer and person. In-house person. You're the in-house person. That's better than being the outhouse person.
Yes. True. Yeah, I can kind of run this thing a little bit.
She does run this thing. It's sometimes unfortunate for me because she runs my life too.
Yes.
Which I guess can be a good thing.
Hand in hand with my mother.
Keeps me on track, right?
Yeah.
All right. So this is Mythbuster Monday, and we are talking about myths, but this is the second time that I think I've heard this. This is the second time we've done a Mythbuster Monday where it's
kind of a myth.
Not like a myth. It might not be a myth.
Yeah.
It's kind of both.
Goes both ways. So Today's myth is you can close on your house without a title company.
And this is a myth and it's not a myth.
Yeah.
It depends on the transaction.
Yes.
And here's why. In some refinance situations, there are lenders that will allow for a refinance to be closed without getting title insurance if there's a previous title insurance policy that's been on the property.
Mm-hmm.
And they can be reassured that there's an attorney opinion letter is what it's called, available, where an attorney says, hey, we're verifying that everything looks good on title.
Yeah.
They still do a title search. There's still some fees involved, but it doesn't have to involve a title company.
Right.
Those lenders usually do it where, they'll do a remote closing. So they'll have either a online notary,
mm-hmm.
where it's just a Zoom call, or they'll have a remote notary that'll actually come to your house, but it's not, there's not a lot of, there's still some title fees. So you can't just say, oh, you said there's no title.
Mm-hmm.
No, there's still some title fees. There's still going to be some money involved.
Yeah.
But that's in a refinance situation. In a purchase situation, two things. One, I don't know that there's a lender that will allow that. And two, I don't know that you as a owner should purchase something without getting title insurance so that you know for sure that this property is yours.
Yeah. Can you refresh everybody on what title insurance, like getting title insurance does?
Yeah.
Just real quick.
Title insurance will give you the peace of mind that a title agent has searched the property, like they've searched online and searched the deeds of record for a certain number of years to determine that this property truly is owned by the seller,
mm-hmm.
that nobody else has claims on the property, meaning there's no liens on the property. Or if there are liens on the property, what are those liens and are they being paid off? So like a mortgage, if somebody's selling their house and they have a mortgage, there's a first lien on that property. If they have a first lien on that property and they also have a home equity line of credit, they have a second lien on that property. So the last thing you'd want to do is purchase a home, have the first lien paid off and have the home equity line not get paid off.
Right.
And that's still on your property. It's still listed and you bought it. And now there's this lien on the property.
Yeah.
That usually doesn't happen. But the other thing it does is it makes sure that there's long lost relatives from the past that can't come and claim that property either.
Mm-hmm.
So those are the two biggest things. Make sure there's no tax liens, make sure there's no other things on the property that it's called encumber the property.
Fancy word.
Like put a lien on. Encumber.
Rawr.
Not like a cucumber, but encumber.
Encumber.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so what actually requires a title? Like what requires a title company?
Who
Like what type of loans?
Any purchase.
Purchasing?
Any purchase.
Some refinance.
And then depending on the lender, there's some refinances that require
but then
title company.
with refinances, some lenders won't.
Some lenders will,
Okay.
though they don't require it because they do what's called an attorney opinion letter instead of a title policy.
Okay. Gotcha. Okay. That's it.
So if you have other questions, you want to know more details about the whole process or title or anything like that, you feel free to reach out. We'll be glad to help you any way we can. All you have to do is give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email, and we'll help you. Until then, see you next time.
That's a wrap on today's episode of Home Buying Made Easy. If you're ready to take your next step, our team is standing by. You can call or text us directly at 615-499-6335. You can also reach us at michael@dendyteam.com or check out the link in the show notes below. Whether you have one question or you're ready to go, we'll meet you right where you are. Thanks for joining us. From our team to you, let's make home buying easy.